For this Les Paul neck I've been working on, I got the inlays done, slotted it, and then I glued the fretboard to the neck, put the frets in, and then glued the binding. And there's a ton of different ways to actually clean up the binding with the nibs. You can scrape, you can file, you can sand. What I did is I bought this Amana mini flush bit. So this is a 3/16 miniature flush trim bit that I fit in my Colt router. And all you do is flip this on, get this bit so that it's just outside, turn it on, route. You don't want to hold the router too far down so that you scrape this. You just want to hold it level with the board. And this makes a huge mess, that's why I'm not filming it, because I can't get my vacuum attachment on here. When I did this yesterday, I got completely covered in the fuzz. But as I went through and did all this, got this all done relatively quickly, and then I came back with my file. And what I'm doing with this file is I'm going to the edge first, getting it flush, then coming back with my razor and cleaning it up. So I did both sides with the flush trim bit, and then what I'm doing is coming back with this little file. And what's nice about this file is that it's not too aggressive and it's not scratching the fretboard, but it works perfectly on plastic. So what I'm doing is I'm coming to the edge of the fret here, going here, and then coming this way as well. So then I've got this section done. Make sure it's nice and flat. Then I'll rub this here to get the glue and binding level. So I've got a nice clean side. I'll come back with the razor blade. And we'll clean this up. That was it. Real simple process. Get it nice and clean against the fret. What I'll do then is come back, just take a little bit of that edge off, crown it, level it, and be done. So real simple process. I've been doing this, just takes a little bit of time. Take the file to the edge of the fret. So on this side, work it down through here, make sure, so you can see right now I'm pulling off a little bit of the glue. Looks about right. Come back with my razor blade. Nice and clean. So I had this whole side already, and I'm going to come through and do this side as well. I got a new clamp and a little bit better ways to do some of the filming for you guys, so I'll do a review on this in one of my next upcoming videos. This takes a little bit of time to do, but it's well worth it. Real high-end custom look. So thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video.